Hey guys, what's up? I'm Miko, and it has been forever since I've done a long form video, but your girl is back. BetterLength sent me their Feather-Lite human hair kinky curly crochet braids to review. They sent me 2 bundles and 16 inches. All right, so let me show you my braid pattern. And this is my leave out right here. I'm gonna do something special with this side. I'm gonna go ahead and separate the hair, but I'm gonna wet it first to make it easier to separate. All right guys, so I am 2 hours in and I have 1 pack installed. Now I'm getting ready to install the second bundle, but see how full that is? That's why 2 packs is plenty for a full head. All right y'all, I got two bundles left. This is all I have to finish. I'm using every strand of this hair, okay? Because this is about to be big hair. This is about to be full. So what I'm trying to make sure I do is make the part right around my leave out really full, because my hair doesn't look super thin, but it is. And it's short, so with shrinkage, but this hair is super easy to work with. It's very soft. So the important thing is to make sure that string is what you cinch, because if you don't get it in there right, it will hang down and it'll be noticeable. So right now I'm crocheting here on the flat part of the braid to fill in that gap. Yes, sweetie.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I did not. Are you getting ready to cook? Oh, you made me an omelet?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. So I make sure I hold on to the string as I'm cinching down. Look at my 1 gray hair. You see it right there? And I do not dye my hair. That's just genetics, baby. My mom's the same way. All right, guys. 3 hours later. So I started a little after 8. It's a little after 11. And I am done, and I freaking love. All right, babes, I'm getting ready to take down my leave out, mousse her up, and get these edges together. And I'll be back with my final thoughts. Come through BetterLength. This is the finished look. Totally love how this turned out. Y'all know kinky textures, the natural textures, is my jam. This has to be the best human hair crochet braids I've tried thus far. Love how it blends so seamlessly with my natural hair. And this texture, sis, come on. This texture is chef's kiss. So guys, the link to this hair and all the deets are in the description box. Make sure you use discount code MIKOLOVE to save you some coins, sis. And a huge thank you to BetterLength for the collab. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.